Ever wondered how dropshippers will find a $5,000 a day product and get it ready to sell in just a few hours? I'll show you exactly how I would do it. From research to supplier to ads, getting ready to launch a new dropshipping store in just a few hours. Let's jump into my laptop and get started. So I was doing some research and came across this product right here. This portable mini heater, it's actually one that I sold last winter, but that's besides the point. It's being sold in the UK right now for $25 and it's done over $171,000 this month. And that's just one brand. There's dozens of other sellers that are focused on this product right now. Like this brand right here, although they're only doing about $4,000 a month, but still that's very promising. So let's take a look at this brand right here. And by the way, guys, this is an app I use every single day called Zik Analytics. Zik is a product research tool. They'll show you the top performing Shopify stores and the top performing products. That way you can take a closer look at each and every brand. We can see how many sales they're actually making and how much revenue they're bringing in every 30 days. So for example, this brand right here, Solar Lamp, based in the UK, they have over 25,000 sales over the last 30 days, and they've done $1.1 million in revenue. That's really good. They have 38 different products. Their store was created 2 years ago. They actually don't have any active social channels, and they're not running any ads right now. So I'm not sure how they're actually making $1 million every single month. They're either going through like a third-party marketing agency, or they're doing all of this on organic, which I highly doubt. So I'm guessing there's a few different people that are running ads for this brand. So let's take a look at this store that's actually selling this product right here. We can take a look at the product page that's actually making these sales. So here's the plug-in heater from Solar Lamp. They're selling it for $25, marked down from $50. That's their offer right there. They have a ton of high rated reviews imported and a ton of high quality content on their product page right here. I really like how all of this looks so far. We scroll down, they have some features and benefits down here, 67% more efficient than traditional heaters, over 100,000 rooms warmed, meaning over 100,000 people have purchased from them. I really like that. And then they're saying it takes 60 seconds to heat up an entire 500 square foot room. Scroll down and they have all of the reviews down here at the bottom of the page. So they don't really have much of a description. We can look at the specifications as well as the tech and specs right here. But this basic product page is doing almost $200,000 a month for this brand. And I know we found multiple stores that are selling it successfully right now and making a ton of money, but let's go ahead and validate this product further. We want to make sure we're not wasting our time by selling this. So I always like to start by going on Google Trends and typing in the name of our product. That way we can see the search engine data behind all of these. So I typed in the term portable heater and we can see that this search term is getting 250,000 searches every single month. And that's actually down 2% from the previous month. But what I'm really paying attention to most are all of these uptrends right here. So you see this started to peak in October through November, through December, January, and started selling down a little bit in February, March. Right here, this started peaking in September, really started peaking in November through December, and it was actually getting almost 600,000 searches in December. It's really good. And it died down again the following year, picked back up in October, November, did really well through December and January. Same thing over here, starts to pick up in October through November, does really well in November, does really well in December, does really well in January, and starts to die down. Now, obviously this is the case with most products because you have the holiday season and Black Friday right around the corner. But specifically with this product right here, since it's a seasonal product, it's a heater, people are more interested in times where it's actually cold outside. So you want to make sure when you're setting up your ads and doing all of your targeting, you're targeting people that are actually in cold regions. And we can look a little bit deeper down here. So you can see all the different search terms that people are looking up. You can see the different questions that they're actually asking and the different brands that they're looking up. Then you have your related trends down here and the actual channels that people are searching for. So most people are looking this up on TikTok as well as Facebook. And then you have some people looking it up on YouTube, Reddit, and so on. But here's where you want to pay attention to. Interest by region. So right here we can see that the top 5 countries interested in this product would be Australia, the United States, Canada, the UK, as well as Ireland. We'll get rid of region and we can actually take a look by each city. So you have Melbourne, Lake Forest Park, Memphis, Detroit, and Sacramento. Memphis and Detroit makes sense because it definitely gets cold there. I'm not sure about these other 3 options, but this gives you a really good idea of who exactly you want to target. Now, to validate this even further, I'm going to go on the Facebook ads library and type in the name of our product. So we'll select all ads, we'll type in portable mini heater, and we can see all of these different ads down here that are promoting this exact same product. And it actually looks like most of the ads promoting these heaters are video ads. Some of these are completely unrelated to the product we're looking at. So you wanna make sure you're only paying attention to the actual ads promoting the heater. If we remove mini and type in portable heater, we're not getting too many more options. So there's not a lot of people running this on Facebook right now, but it looked like the brands that are actually running this product are having a ton of success with it, like the 2 or 3 different brands that are running this on Facebook right now. But if we go over to TikTok and type in the name of our product, portable mini heater, we can see all of these different videos that are actually promoting it. And you guys can snag any of these videos that you need to for your own content or your own ads. Although it's usually much better to order these products yourself and film your own content, but when you're first getting started, speed is everything. So we validated this winning product by finding it on Zik, looking up the revenue numbers, we found multiple stores that were selling it, and then we took a look at the Google Trends data. There's a ton of searches for this product. It's getting over 200,000 searches a month. Not to mention the demand is about to peak, and we could be seeing it getting 500,000 to 600,000 searches over the next couple months. Then we took a look at the Facebook ads library as well as all the viral TikTok content around it, and there's definitely a high demand behind this product. There's no denying that. Now you guys definitely want to spend a lot more time on this step. You want to analyze as many TikTok and Facebook videos as you can around this product to find which angles actually perform the best. That way you can try to recreate some of the viral trends in your niche, and this really just gives you a head start. Now that we found and validated this winning product, let's go ahead and source a supplier for it, because we can't depend on AliExpress. So let me log into my TeemDrop account and let's go ahead and source a supplier for this product. Let's see how much we can get it for. Now TeemDrop is a brand new supplier that I've been working with a lot of my own dropshipping stores. They're a team of sourcing agents that can get you products directly on 1688 or Taobao, where it's usually much harder for sellers to access without an agent. But they also have a catalog of their own products provided from TeemDrop suppliers, and these are all stored across their global warehouses, ensuring you're getting the fastest shipping possible. Now, unlike all the other suppliers out there, TeemDrop's free to use. You only pay as your orders come in. Like most of these 3PL services charge you monthly fees, storage fees, branding fees, and everything else, but TeemDrop is upfront and transparent, and that's what I like about them. It's just like AliExpress. You can go through individually and place your orders one by one, or you can place them all in one click and just get that out of the way every single day. It's completely up to you. We'll take a look at TeemDrop's catalog right here, and these are all the different products offered by TeemDrop suppliers. So we can go back up to the top and we can type in the name of our product. We'll type in mini heater, and we'll scroll through this list until we find the product that we're looking for. Now keep in mind, not every product you're gonna have in mind will be on TeemDrop, so you can have your agent source them for you on 1688 or Taobao instead. But for now, I'll take a look on here to see if we can actually find it. So after scrolling for a while, I'm not finding it on the TeemDrop supplier. So let's go on 1688 and look this up over here. And you can also image search if you have pictures of your product. That's usually much quicker. Right here, this looks a little more promising. So we're finding other variants of our product, but not the exact same one. Keep scrolling through here. We will have to find it eventually. And there it is. Here's the mini portable heater that we're looking at right here. We can actually source it for just $4. And if we go on the page right here, we can see there's no minimum order quantity, so you can place these one at a time as your orders come in. You have 2 different color options. You have white and black, and all of these different specifications down here, depending on which plug option you need. Looks like you can get it shipped for just 81 cents. So you're paying between $4 and $4.70 every time your customer places an order. I got this product sourced for under $10. That's really good. And with TeemDrop, we can put our logo right on the product. We can create custom packaging. We can create thank you cards and get our customers coming back time and time again. So you can add this product to your TeemDrop with one click right here, and your agent will go ahead and source it for you. And then you can upload it to your store in just one click. It really doesn't get any easier than this. And what I like about TeemDrop is that they give you ready to use product images. You can use all these product photos on your website, on your social media pages, and your ads. You can even clean them up using some AI product photo tools and have some high quality content to use. That way you don't have to order this product before you have high quality content, but I always do recommend placing orders yourself. That way you can determine shipping speed, product quality, and you can always have it in hand to shoot your own custom content, even if you use influencers. And all you have to do is reach out to your agent, and you can send this product yourself or send it to any influencers that are creating content for you. Ordering a sample is super simple. So always order these yourself so that you can have your product in hand, verify the quality, make sure your shipping speed is fast, but also just have it laying around for your own content creation. Like literally just going outside and putting this in a patch of grass would make it look so good. And that goes for any product. But also make sure you're sending this to any influencers that you want to partner with to promote your brand. That way you can get it in their hands fast and they can start creating videos for you right away. So what I like about TeemDrop is they integrate directly with Shopify. They have very fast and strong communication. I mean, they text me about my business every single day. No joke. And they always provide ready to use product images and you can request more. So I'll leave a link for my own personal supplier below. Go ahead and integrate TeemDrop to your Shopify store if you haven't yet already. Now let's go ahead and create an ad that we can actually use to market this product. You can create a video ad using a tool like HeyGen, or you can create some sort of an image ad using a tool like ChatGPT. They're both very effective and I recommend using them both in your marketing. Make sure you have a fair share of video ads and a fair share of image ads to test. So let's go back to TeemDrop and let's find a really good product image with the white background. Right here, I like this one. We'll go ahead and save it. So I'm gonna go over to my AI image generator tool. We're using the Nano Banana model from Google. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a prompt. I said, create a high quality lifestyle advertisement featuring the attached portable heater as the main product. And then I went on and on and on and gave it a ton of details to use. So we'll select the model, we'll give it the prompt, we'll go ahead and upload our image right here. Go down to aspect ratio, we'll keep it square, keep it as JPEG. We'll go ahead and give ourselves 2 images to choose from. You could select between 1 and 4, and we'll click generate. And in just a moment, we'll see what it comes up with. So you can use AI to quickly generate high quality, professional looking ads in minutes. And here's our images down here. So here's what it came up with. Wow. I really like these creations. Although we didn't tell the AI tool that it's a plug-in wall heater. This looks like it's just like a desktop placement. So we definitely have to clean that up a little bit because this does not look real. We'd have to have it in the corner on a wall somewhere. But you guys get the basic idea. This is a really good high quality product image and we can throw this directly on our website for branding. We can post this on our social media pages, or we can use this directly in an ad. I'm gonna show you guys one more tool to create high quality video ads this time instead, in case you wanna test videos. So I'm gonna log into my HeyGen account, and HeyGen is an AI video avatar tool where you can create high quality UGC videos in minutes, just using a couple prompts. So right here, we'll select quick avatar video, we'll select UGC, and we'll scroll through all these different options down here until we find one we wanna work with. So always keep your product in mind and your customer demographics. Who do they want talking to them? And with a portable heater, you have a ton of different backgrounds. You can have older people that get cold easy, or you can have younger people that live in the city and have drafty apartments. So this AI avatar could really be anybody. And it's best to test out multiple versions because you can speak to some customers in some of your advertisements while ignoring others and vice versa. So let's keep scrolling through this list until we find an avatar we want promoting our product. I like this one right here. She's like a home office, which definitely gets chilly in the winter. So we'll select this. We got 2 different looks down here. It's like this one or this one right here. We'll go ahead and go with this one and we'll add our script. So right here is where you enter your UGC script or what she's gonna say on the video. I'll go back over to ChatGPT where I came up with the last prompt. And this time I'll say, now give me a UGC script. Okay, so it gave me the hook, problem, introduction. This went a little too far and gave me a little too much. Single, copy and paste paragraph, please. Cool, so we got this and you guys can generate this as many times as you want to until you come up with a prompt that you really like. But to save time, we'll come up with the first one, we'll paste it in here under script. You guys can hear a sample by clicking this little play button.
If you're always cold like me, you need to see this little thing. It's my new portable heater and it's honestly a...
So it sounds a little robotic. You guys can actually change this voice if you want to down here. You can select other Stephanie voices. You can upload your own voices from tools like 11 Labs or your own audio, or you can explore their HeyGen library and find a ton of different creators. So we'll leave it alone for the purpose of this video. It looks like we actually have to erase some text because it went over that 30-second mark. Let's just get rid of this last line and save some time. We can generate our video based on all of this right here, and it's gonna sync everything together. It's gonna take your AI avatar, it's gonna take your voiceover, and it's gonna sync it all together into a high quality UGC video. So these videos can take up to 30 minutes to generate, so I'll get back to you guys in just a moment when we have something. All right, here's our AI UGC video right here. Let's go ahead and watch it.
If you're always cold like me, you need to see this little thing. It's my new portable heater and it's honestly a game changer. My apartment gets so cold in the mornings and turning on the central heating costs a fortune, so I needed something small but powerful. I got this portable heater online. It's super compact, plugs in anywhere, and heats up the room in like 2 minutes. It's quiet, energy efficient, and I just keep it next to me while I work or watch TV.
So that's a decent UGC ad. You can definitely tell that it's very robotic and AI generated. So you'd have to throw a lot of B-roll in there just to clean it up and make a high quality ad. But you can test out different avatars or even different tools. HeyGen was just a recommendation. I actually have an account with Galaxy AI, which has every AI tool out there, including HeyGen. Because you see this giant watermark down here, you're either gonna have to pay for HeyGen or use a watermark removal tool. But creating AI UGC videos like this used to take hours. We used to have to come up with our own avatar, our own scripts, voiceovers, narrations, dubbing, syncing, and everything else. It used to take 3 or 4 hours just to come up with one video. And now you can pump out like 20 of these in 1 hour. It makes testing that much faster and easier. So after I find a new winning product, I always use AI tools to generate high quality image and video ads around it. It used to take weeks to come up with content like this. You'd have to order your own product on AliExpress, wait 30 days for it to arrive, create a high quality product photo studio in your own house, and then spend an entire day coming up with product images. Not to mention the high costs of sending it to an influencer to do all this. But now with AI tools, we can take product images directly from our supplier, plug them in, and have high quality video and image ads to test the same day. So we found a winning product, sourced a high quality supplier for it, and came up with some really good video and image ads to test it. All you have to do is build a one product store around this product if you haven't yet already. So now we can test products with speed and efficiency without committing to a full launch. You don't have to spend weeks hyping up products anymore. You can test them like this and move on if they don't work for you. So that's everything you need to know about finding winning products and testing them in the same day. If you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing it with others, and subscribing for more. I also have a ton of helpful resources like my free course to help you get started, all linked down below. Don't miss out on any of those. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.